All right, and here is the end result. I love this wig. I love the fact that it's glueless, 100% glueless. Looks amazing on. I did do a little bit of work on this, but nothing too crazy that took a long time. The longest thing I did was my makeup. So absolutely, definitely recommend this unit. This unit is going to be really, really easy for you to install, especially if you're a beginner. I love that about this wig, and I love that you can just kind of like, you know, just take her off, put her back on the next day, you know, and she's pretty much good to go. I like the texture on it too. It's got that, you know, coarseness that's nice. It's like that black girl coarseness, but it's not too coarse that it's like hard or crunchy. It still flows really pretty, but it has like a nice little texture to it. So definitely love that. I'm loving this. Beauty Forever is a great brand as well. They've been around forever. I've been working with Beauty Forever for forever. And I definitely recommend their hair. Quality is always good. Customer service always bomb. You can reach out to them on, you know, Instagram or email them. So they're pretty good about that. Definitely will be trying some more of their hair because it just is set up really nice for you to just do what you got to do. And look good without too much work. So I don't know what else to say about it. If I missed anything, respond to you guys if you comment anything, any questions that you have, and I will leave the link to this hair down below, as well as a coupon code if they provide me with one. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Make sure you do one thing for me. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure if you have been subscribed, you are still subscribed, and share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.
Baby, I can smoke it out. Say now you I want.
And that is pretty much the end of, you know, getting this wig together. Make sure you check the link down below, as well as the coupon code, so that you guys can try this wig out for yourself. And stay tuned for my final thoughts. Oh, and make sure you're subscribed. Hello, subscribe.